Hi everyone, today we are doing stuff to the world map. As this will be a new series, we'll do different things to the map and see what would happen. And for this first episode, I will add a 8th continent in the Indian Ocean. And if this next video will come out if this video hits 10 likes. Well, that's not that much, but really hope it does. Anyways, let's get started. This wouldn't actually happen because that would change the whole course of history, but anyways, let's do it. So I have all of this area to do. I'm gonna try and make it so it like fits in. Maybe like a bit like that. That's gonna be its outline. It's gonna be like the third smallest or fourth smallest, but it's pretty big. It's almost bigger than South America. But anyways, I'll be back when I'm done with it. So I've done it, and basically I'm gonna make it so some countries will invade it. Like, I'll start now. So first off, if this just appears out of nowhere, we're gonna have some first people. Obviously the US will try to claim it, but since they're on the other side of the Pacific Ocean, they're gonna get the last bit of it. So obviously we'll have Australia come in, and let's say they grab about, they claim that much land, as they would obviously be the first person, one of the first countries to get to it, because obviously they're like the closest towards it, and this will be part of them. So the Australians in this case will be the colour red. And then we'll have a bit of India coming to take over a small bit, just for now. And they'll be the colour orange. And then we'll have some of Madagascar. No, this will be purple. Okay, 3 countries have gone there. New Zealand will have a small little area coming and then claim that. But here, and this will be the color blue. Then I'm gonna add a second thing. Then do red here, as they're gonna have a little treaty. And then Australia can have that much. So that's what it looks like so far. Then then a bit of Russia will come, and they're gonna take tons. Of course they are. And aren't they like the strongest? They have the strongest army in the world, I'm pretty sure. So they can get through almost every single country and continent combined. So I wouldn't dare mess with them. They're gonna be cyan. Oh, yeah. I've got to do this. And we'll go back to 1 now. We'll have a bit of South Africa, and they'll take about there. And then their color will be green. That's a pretty fair amount of land there. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back, and now we'll add some more to this. The Australians will start to move on about that way. And they're also that way. And because they're starting to make a move on their territory. And then the New Zealand will take a bit of like that. And then boom. That's part 1. Part 2 coming soon.